All right, guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got another virtual car show here. This time we got some Karmann Ghias. So check it out. We got some lowered Karmann Ghias, some stock Karmann Ghias. I think we even have some convertibles in there. So check it out, guys. Some pretty cool cars in there. All right, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell for upcoming notifications because more views helps me to continue to make these videos for you. All right, guys. Enjoy. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun. Got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.